By 2026, 1 in 2 professionals will be replaceable. Not because they're lazy, not because they're uneducated, but because they're predictable. And predictable is the most dangerous thing you can be in a world run by AI. Here's the thing. I'm not making this up. According to the World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs report, analytical thinking, resilience, and leadership are now ranked higher than technical skills by employers hiring in 2025 and beyond. So this isn't a job problem. This isn't a degree problem. This is a soft skills problem. And most people won't even realize they're falling behind until it's too late. Hard skills will get you hired. Soft skills will get you promoted. Hi, I'm Nasimha, founder of Star Agile. For years, I've worked with professionals across industries, helping them build skills that accelerate career growth. In this video, I'll walk you through the 5 soft skills that will matter most in 2026, and more importantly, how you can start developing them today. Let's begin with the first skill. Emotional intelligence, or EQ. This is the most underrated skill of this decade. Why? Because AI can write your emails, summarize your meetings, even draft your strategy. But AI cannot read the room. AI cannot sense when your teammate is burning out. AI cannot calm down an angry client. You can. Look at top CEOs like Satya Nadella and Sundar Pichai. Their success isn't driven by intelligence alone. It's also rooted in emotional awareness, empathy, and the ability to lead people. Nadella even helped transform Microsoft's culture by making empathy a core leadership principle. The future will reward people who understand humans, not just systems. How do you build it? Start small. Ask better questions. Listen without planning your reply. Notice tone, not just words. There's a free course on Coursera called Inspiring Leadership Through Emotional Intelligence by Case Western. Go finish it this weekend. Look, the tools you used last year are already outdated. The workflows you mastered are already broken. Your job description in 2026 will not look the same in 2027. People who win aren't the ones who know the most. They're the ones who learn the fastest. This is called learning agility, the ability to drop what you knew and pick up something new without your ego getting in the way. And honestly, ego is what kills most careers. People say, "This is how we've always done it." And that sentence is a career death sentence in 2026. How do you train this? Simple rule. Every 90 days, learn one thing completely outside your comfort zone. A new tool, a new framework, a new domain. Treat your skill set like a software update. Patch it constantly. We're drowning in information. Slack, email, Teams, WhatsApp, LinkedIn DMs. Everyone is talking. Almost nobody is being understood. In 2026, the person who can take a complicated idea and explain it in 30 seconds will out-earn the person who took 30 slides to say the same thing. This isn't about being a great speaker. It's about structured thinking. Can you take chaos and turn it into clarity? Can you write an email that gets a yes instead of 3 follow-up questions? Can you pitch your idea in a meeting without losing the room in the first 20 seconds? Companies are now hiring specifically for this. Communication strategists, internal comms leads, narrative designers. These didn't exist 10 years ago. Quick fix. Before you send any message, ask, what is the one thing I want them to do after reading this? If you can't answer in one sentence, rewrite it. Here's the trap of the AI era. AI gives you answers instantly, and most people just accept them. Copy, paste, send. No questioning, no checking, no thinking. That is the fastest way to become irrelevant. The people winning in 2026 aren't the ones using AI. Everybody is using AI. The winners are the ones who can look at an AI output and say, this is wrong because, or this is missing, or this is biased toward. That's judgment. And judgment cannot be automated. Companies are realizing this. Roles like AI output reviewer, decision quality lead, and strategy validator are popping up everywhere. Their job isn't to produce, it's to decide what's worth producing. UC Davis has a free Coursera course called Critical Thinking Skills for the Professional. Go take it. Stop scrolling Instagram for 1 week and just take it. Fifth skill, and this is the one nobody talks about enough, cross-functional collaboration. Your next project will not be done with people who think like you. It will be done with engineers, designers, marketers, finance people, AI agents, freelancers in 3 time zones, and a client who's never met any of you. The person who can hold all of that together, that's the person getting promoted. This isn't just being nice. This is the ability to translate between worlds. Speaking to an engineer by a designer, speaking finance to a creative, speaking human to a stakeholder who only speaks spreadsheet. In 2026, the highest paid people won't just be specialists. They'll be the people who connect specialists and align different functions. So how do you build this skill? Start learning how other teams think. Shadow cross-functional projects. Watch how marketing explains ideas differently from engineering. Take part in collaborative discussions. Ask questions that help you understand the priorities of another department. Even spending 20 minutes understanding another team's workflow changes how you communicate. Because the people who grow fastest in the next decade won't be the ones working in silos. They'll be the ones who can bring different people together and make collaboration actually work. So, emotional intelligence, adaptability, communication, critical thinking, and collaboration. 5 soft skills that will define your career in 2026. This wasn't me trying to scare you. This is just the reality. Hard skills get outdated in 6 months. Soft skills compound for 30 years. If this video gave you even one idea you can use this week, send it to a friend who needs to hear it. And if you want to know exactly which jobs will be the highest paid in 2030 and which ones are dying, I made that video right here. And please, hit subscribe. It genuinely helps me make more videos like this. See you in the next one.